Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Mushroom Cafreal, a delicious and flavorful dish from Goan cuisine where tender mushrooms are cooked in a vibrant green Cafreal masala made with fresh coriander, green chilies, garlic, ginger, black pepper and aromatic spices. This recipe brings the bold, peppery flavors of the classic Cafreal style into a simple and satisfying dish perfect for everyday home cooking. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Mushroom Cafreal. In this recipe, we'll prepare an authentic Cafreal paste from scratch and cook the mushrooms so they absorb the rich, spicy and slightly tangy flavors beautifully. This delicious dish pairs wonderfully with bread, pav or potato wedges and is perfect for anyone who enjoys Goan recipes and easy home cooking. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Mushroom Cafreal. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken around 200 grams of mushrooms. Take half-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Soak the tamarind in quarter cup of warm water. 1 cup of coriander or cilantro leaves. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into small pieces. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into small pieces. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut it into small pieces. Take quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 20 medium-sized black peppercorns. Half-inch stick of cinnamon. 3 cloves. 2 green cardamoms. 1.5 teaspoon of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the Cafreal paste. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind with water. Add the ginger pieces. Add the garlic pieces. Add the green chili pieces. Add the black peppercorns. Add the cumin or jeera seeds. Add the sugar. Add the salt. Add the cinnamon sticks. Add the green cardamoms. Add the cloves. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the coriander or cilantro leaves. Add the vinegar. Grind to a smooth paste. If needed, add little water while grinding. We added 4 tablespoons of water while grinding. Do not add all the water at one time. Use only as much as required. Cafreal paste is ready. Save it in a bowl. Now rinse the mixer jar with 2 tablespoons of water and add it in the Cafreal paste. Step 3. Preparing the mushrooms. Wash and clean the mushrooms properly. Now take a mushroom and peel its outer skin the way I have shown and discard the skin. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Similarly, clean the other mushrooms. Once they are done, they are ready for cutting. Cut all the mushrooms into halves. If the mushrooms are very big, then cut it into quarters. Do not cut the mushrooms well in advance as they will change color. It's best to cut and clean the mushrooms just before cooking. Cut mushrooms are ready. Step 4. Preparing the Mushroom Cafreal. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir the butter and let it melt. Oil is added to prevent the butter from burning. Once the butter has melted, add the mushrooms. Stir everything nicely. Do not cover the pan as the mushrooms will start releasing liquid. Cook the mushrooms for around 6 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
After around 6 minutes, when the mushrooms have got a nice light brown color, remove the mushrooms and keep them aside. Now in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add the Cafreal paste. Cook for around 2 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent it from burning or sticking to the pan. After 2 minutes, if your masala is getting dry, add 2 tablespoons of water to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Stir everything nicely. Cook for around 5 minutes. If required, add little water to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 5 minutes, when the gravy has got a nice boil, add the cooked mushrooms. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for another 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan. If required, add little water. After around 3 minutes, stir everything properly. Check for salt and add if required. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Cook for a minute. Once done, put the heat off. Delicious mushroom cafreal is ready. Serve the mushroom cafreal hot with bread, potato wedges, lime and salad. Do post your comments and let us know your feedback on our recipes. It definitely inspires us to do better. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.